product onto Payhip for free. Hi, I'm Julie and I'm going to quickly show you how to add your digital product onto Payhip for free. So first of all, you go into the product. Obviously you need a Payhip account, and you would then go into the product screen and press add new product. As you can see, there's lots of different options of ways you can put products onto Payhip, but for this example we're going to put a digital product on. So you press digital product and you upload the product file. I have uploaded this guide off Canva because that's where I create my digital guides, but obviously there are other ways you can do it, and you can see in seconds it's already on there. Then you add your product title, which in my case I'm going to put help, have I got OCD? The price you can keep at £5, or you can put your own price in there. I'm going to put £7, and then it gives you the option of uploading an image. I've downloaded this off Canva. You can add another product image. I'll just put that one on there for now, and you can put a few different products, up to 9 items. What I usually sometimes do as well is I put details, a summary of what's going to be covered in the chapters in there on my other guides. Then you type your brief description. You can even use ChatGPT for this so that I can do it quickly on this demonstration. So copy and paste that. You put your description in there. You obviously want it visible because you're trying to sell it to people, and you press add product, and when you go to show me my product on the product page, voila, there you've got not only your digital guide, but you've got a nice little page as well to sell it from, and people then will just add it to their cart and buy it, as has happened with me. And if you keep page across there, it shows you the different images you've got. So that's a quick and easy. You can add a product to Payhip, a digital product. If you're keen to check out Payhip, it doesn't cost you anything. You'll just pay a little bit of commission for every product sold. That's why I like it. Don't pay an SSL product. If you're interested in testing out, I have popped my affiliate link in the comments section for you, but just want to be transparent and say that if you click on my link, it won't cost you, still won't cost you anything, but there is a chance that the product owner might give me a small commission for you referring you there. Hope you've enjoyed this. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and see you on the next video.